Your Spectrum TV remote control has a variety of features that allow you to control your TV and DVR, as well as navigate the Spectrum Guide. This video walks you through these easy-to-use features. If you haven't yet programmed your remote, go to spectrum.net/remotes to learn how. So here's a look at what all these buttons can do. Starting at the top of your remote, there are 3 buttons. Moving left to right, TV powers your TV off and on. The one in the middle powers your VCR and DVD off and on. And to the left, cable powers your Spectrum receiver. Continuing down the remote, there are 2 sets of buttons forming a circle, one inside the other. The outer ring is your main navigation controls. To the left of center is Guide. Press it to go to the Spectrum Guide for all your program listings. Proceeding clockwise, next is Menu, which is used to access the main menu. After that is Info. Press it for more information about a program you've selected. Next, use Exit to leave menus, the guide, and other on-screen applications. The page buttons directly across from one another allow you to scroll through menu screens and the Spectrum Guide. Use the one to the left to scroll backward and the one to the right to scroll forward. Following that are the letter buttons D, C, B, and A. These let you make direct selections from on-screen menus. And then List. Use this button to access your recorded programs. The inner circle has 4 arrow or cursor buttons which surround the OK Select button in the center. They allow you to move through the program guide and menu screens, as well as navigate within interactive services such as On Demand. Use OK Select to make your selection from the guide, the menu, or from other options available to you. The next 2 rows below contain your playback keys. You can rewind, play, fast forward, stop, pause, and record when in VCR and DVD mode. These are also used for video on demand when in cable mode, and your DVR box if you have DVR service. The next row has your volume controls on the left, and the smaller mute button is directly to the right. On Demand is directly above mute. Use it to access video on demand services. The last button is directly below mute. This one lets you recall the last channel viewed. To the right in this row, the channel buttons allow you to move up or down through your channel lineup. The numbers at the bottom of the remote let you enter a specific channel number without having to browse the guide or cycle through the channels. They can also be used to make numeric entries when called for in on-screen menus. Finally, in the last row of numbers, to the left of 0 is your Favorites button. Use this to access your favorite channels once you've set them up. That's it. It won't take long to become familiar with this handy device. For other helpful support videos, please visit spectrum.net/videos.